Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The sun is shining, the weather is sweet here in Houston, Texas. It's Plantu back at you with a brand new video, and today I'm going to explain why buying fruit trees at big box stores is sometimes the best option, if not all the time. And here's why. So I live in Houston, as I mentioned, and we got hit by a huge winter storm. So as you guys can see, man, my citrus trees are absolutely devastated and dead. And there's not just one of them, there's yet another one. That's two. Here's yet another one, which is 3 fruit trees. And then even my grapefruit tree, which is 4 fruit trees that have been killed. Now I got all of these at Lowe's and Home Depot. And what does that mean? They have a 1-year return policy on all of their trees. So each one of those was 30 bucks, so that's $120 instantly. And then my Haas avocado, which is even more expensive, was $44.98. And I kept the receipts on some of these trees. Other ones I threw out, so today I'm just gonna see if I can return them. Okay guys, now to pull this off correctly, one thing you must have, actually you need 2 things. One thing you must have are the pots. So I keep pretty much all the pots that the citrus and fruit trees come in. So I have the Saxon, Pencil, and Sons little lime pot right there. And then I also have a Home Depot pot right here, which is for a mandarin tree. So this will definitely help them scan the barcodes. And I think the barcodes are also included as an orange tab on the fruit trees themselves. And you need the receipts. Now, half the receipts I don't have, so I'm just gonna take a shot in the dark. I know Lowe's can look up your credit card number with the item's barcode, so if you have your same card that you used, you can return things at Lowe's. Now, I don't know if that's true with Home Depot. Sometimes they're on some scammer stuff, but we'll see what's going on with the 1-year return policy, and hopefully I can pull it off. But yeah, for all you guys buying fruit trees, keep the receipts, because if a freak storm comes through, you have 1 year to basically risk it and try and establish some trees. So fingers crossed, it'll pay off. Let's dig them up. All right, guys. So as I dig up these trees, I just want to obviously bless out some general words of advice. If you need a specific type or cultivar of fruit tree, bruh, grab that at a local nursery by all means. You're not going to be able to find everything at a big box store, but in my case, with these common citrus trees and the 1-year guarantee, the box store definitely was the way to go, GI bro. Shit. All right, everything has been dug up and the car is loaded with plants. My guys, so we're en route to Home Depot. Hopefully their return policy is A1 and stellar. I encountered a very grumpy worker there who was like, you need a receipt, when I was theoretically asking if I could return the item. So I have 1 receipt out of the 4 trees I'm bringing to Home Depot. For Lowe's, I have 2 receipts for the 3 trees I am taking. So fingers crossed, we'll see what happens. I am not gonna record in the store only because my camera has a huge lens and a really big mic on it, so I can't subtly just stealth mode record the interaction, but I will give you guys an update as to what the situation is at each place. Fingers crossed this will work. We'll see though. We'll see. Oh, y'all see that? Bruh. Yo. Oh, what a fat dub, dude. What a victory. That is a big win, big W, man. Man, guys, I just got $175 store credit. It feels good. I was so sad when all my plants died, but this does give me hope. And this is why I say buying fruit trees at big box stores are like the cheat code, because they come with that 1-year guarantee that a lot of local nurseries and smaller institutions really can't have. It would just be detrimental, honestly, to return stuff if you're not a major corporation. So that is where it does come very clutch, especially when a very rare freeze came through. Now, if I had the plants 2 years, 3 years, and the freeze came through again, then I'd be like SOL. But at that point, I would at least be able to get some harvest, hopefully, from those trees to make it worthwhile. But yes, $175 is very clutch because now I can get trees that are more acclimated to potential cold temperatures. I still am gonna try the citrus one more time and also have some that are gonna be on my porch. Now that's gonna be my future food forest video, but what a complete and total victory. We're gonna go to Lowe's right now and return the others. I'm gonna just peep and see what trees they have in the meantime here, but I need to offload these guys before I make any purchases. So, man, it feels good, dude. Hell yeah, I can't believe that worked. Shout out Home Depot one time, man, for real. Wow. So I'm pleased to say it was the same story, different store at Lowe's, and I did get to replenish and replace all of my dead plants with new plants. And at Lowe's and Home Depot, they have 1-year plant guarantees on any plant, house plants, any outdoor plant. So keep the tags on the plant for the first year if you guys are not confident that they will survive, and you can just bring them back. I mean, I brought back an avocado tree just because it wasn't looking super good and I did not have the receipt. So, I mean, it's pretty live what you can do with that being said. So if you just want to try things out in your area, definitely be sure to do so. Man, I got $400 back and got a whole host of new plants to create my food forest with. Hold on, man. Check it out, dude. Look at this. Temporary holding facility for all the plants. I grabbed a clementine. I have 2 Monrovia blueberry bushes, which are just packed to the brim with little bluebies. And then I have another variety of blueberry right here. This is called the emerald blueberry. That way they can cross pollinate. I grabbed a pecan tree, so that way the one that I previously planted can cross pollinate. The lemon, you guys already saw that. And then I grabbed the key lime that is budded up right now. So yes, hopefully you guys did enjoy this quick little tutorial and video. I know a lot of people like local nurseries. I even have gotten comments about how those will have better things, but unless, or better quality of plants, but unless it has a 1-year guarantee, I'm really not about to risk it. And at some local nurseries I've seen, they do have the same sources, the same nurseries that raise their citrus. So it just makes more sense overall. If you go to a big box store, I know let's not support the big corporations, but at the same time, it really can help you with that return policy. If you want specialized things, of course, a local nursery will be the best. But if it's just a generalist purchase, such as citrus, then in my case, it really did help that I did purchase the plants from, of course, a big box store. So that's just my advice. It is what it is. But stay tuned for a brand new video that is going to be dropping soon, where I plant these and start my food forest from the ground up the right way. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Let's get it. Until next time, live the dream, eat that ice cream, and remember, Earth is my planet. Earth is my planet. Peace. Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Parustu. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.